Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open REALME Link application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. At the first line we have Equalizer mode. You need to tap at this line. And right here at the last line we have bass boost. Tap at this line. Now we select it, so if I go back you can see that we use this mode. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!